Rounding off numbers. Rounding off is useful to obtain the approximate value of large quantities. We can round off the numbers as follows: 692 to 700, 912 to 1000, 82 to 80. Let us see how we can do this rounding off. Rounding off to the nearest tens. To round off a number to the nearest tens, find the 10 nearest to the number. 60 is the nearest 10 to 63. So 63 is rounded off to 60. 70 is the nearest 10 to 68. So 68 is rounded off to 70. If the digit at the ones place is less than 5, round it off to the previous 10. 282 can be rounded off to 280. If the digit at the ones place is greater than 5, round it off to the next 10. 587 can be rounded off to 590. If the digit at the ones place is 5, round it off to the next 10. 585 can be rounded off to 590. Rounding off to the nearest hundreds. To round off a number to the nearest hundreds, find the 100 nearest to the number. If the digit at the tens place is less than 5, round it off to the previous 100. 400 is the nearest 100 to 427. So 427 is rounded off to 400. If the digit at the tens place is 5 or more than 5, round it off to the next 100. 500 is the nearest 100 to 485. So 485 is rounded off 500. 450 is at the middle and rounded off to next 100. So 450 is rounded off to 500. Rounding off to the nearest 1000. Rounding off to the nearest thousands. To round off a number to the nearest thousands, find the 1000 nearest to the number. If the digit at the thousands place is less than 5, round it off to the previous 1000. 5000 is the nearest 1000 to 5163. So 5163 is rounded off to 5000. If the digit at the thousands place is 5 or more than 5, round it off to the next 1000. 6000 is the nearest 1000 to 5852. So 5852 is rounded off to 6000. 5550 is at the middle and round it off to the next 1000. So 5500 is rounded off to 6000.